You won't believe the power hidden in these 3 surprising herbs for emotional healing. Let's begin with skullcap. It's nature's therapy for a frazzled mind. Known for soothing tense nerves, skullcap has been a trusted ally for centuries. Next up, blue vervain, often overlooked but incredibly potent. Blue vervain helps release stress locked deep in your body, promoting calm like never before. Finally, we have mimosa, often called the tree of happiness. Its vibrant energy aligns with emotional clarity, offering comfort in rough emotional seas. The best part? Growing these herbs at home is simpler than you think, and nature will always be right there to support you in your healing. Take a moment to tend your soul. What's stopping you? Find peace at the harbor. Subscribe for weekly herbal wisdom.